Okay, you ready? I'm gonna puncture it. You ready?
Yeah, tip it up a little bit when you puncture it so it doesn't spill out.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you ready, babe?
Yeah, go. Twist. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's game day today. Pretty excited that football's back on TV.
Yeah, definitely.
So it's only been like 2 months since we did a video, and then the last video we were like, man, we need to do more videos, like just keep you guys updated. And there's a lot that's been going on.
A lot. Like when he says a lot.
Yeah, it's quite a lot.
All good things.
We're gonna try and do a quick video here, just kind of get you guys caught back up to speed on where we're at, and just in a quick, probably like 5-10 minutes or so, update you on everything that's been happening. So, as you can see from the opening, a little teaser there that we had, we announced this on Facebook weeks ago, but Chelsea and I are expecting, and we're gonna have a baby in January. Try not to give away too many details. So again, we teased with the clip in the beginning, but let me show you the whole thing so you can see where we're at.
Yeah. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna puncture it. You ready?
Yeah, tip it up a little bit when you puncture it so it doesn't spill out.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you ready, babe?
Yeah, go. Twist.
Oh, wrong way. Woo!
What was that?
So this time we decided to do a gender reveal. It was really cool waiting with Porter, and I think with IVF that was just like a really good surprise, since the whole thing with IVF isn't a surprise.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're having a boy. Kyle and I were so convinced it was a girl, so that's why when the blue flakes popped out, I was like really shocked. Like I was so convinced it was a girl. We're really excited for a boy. Just, you know, Porter and him are going to be really close in age, and they'll be built-in besties.
No, and it was helpful too to know, like, do we need to get girl stuff, or can we do some hand-me-downs from Porter? So speaking of babies, over here, he hasn't been feeling too well. So if you hear him coughing in the background there, he's just getting over it. He's doing a lot better now, but he's been sick the last couple of days.
It's been a lovely few days.
But
he's enjoying some string cheese.
Last video we talked about trying to celebrate his first birthday, and we definitely did that. That was really cool. Chelsea put together a cake smash in the front yard, and I'll throw up some pictures here, but he loved it. We just put him in his chair and let him go to town on the cake, and he had a lot of fun. So it was really cool. It's just crazy to think that he's like 14 months now.
I know. It's
almost 15.
And I like look at videos and pictures of him when he turned 1, and I thought he was so big at 1, and now I'm like, oh my goodness, like even in 2 months he's...
We did have to give him a haircut too, so that's another post we made. And we'll show you a before and after shot, but he had some crazy curls. I was calling it the bird's nest.
Yeah, it's
going on.
He definitely is going to keep his curls. They're back, even with short hair.
Coming back. All right, you want to tell him the other update?
Yeah, tell us.
Yeah, what's happening, Porter?
Hi. We're moving to DC.
Yeah.
Well, we're not gonna live in Washington, DC, but Kyle found out about his new job.
Yeah, pretty exciting. So we're gonna move next May. So we're definitely counting down the months here where we gotta get out and go do some more stuff. But yeah, we figured we'd leave first part of May if it all works out. And Chelsea's already been looking at homes in the area, and it's gonna be wild. Moving with 2 young kids and the 2 dogs and packing up the house. Like, there's gonna be a lot to do before now and then. But
we're gonna have to do like a clip from when we came here 3 years ago, and we were both like empty-handed, and we just had our own luggage and bodies and self to worry about. Well, the dogs came too, but
right.
Now adding in Porter and the new baby, it's gonna be
just a little bit more complicated, I'd say. So we're gonna go from like Chelsea's first ever Air Force move to like, okay, now extreme, like.
Yeah, and with COVID, like regulations still happening, like with masks, and I think there's some troubles with like flying dogs. It's just gonna be a lot of puzzle pieces that we have to put together, but it's gonna be fun. And I keep saying right now we need to just like relax and enjoy this time, because I feel like once Thanksgiving and Christmas and all the holidays come, the baby comes in January, and then it's gonna be like go, 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 go. So definitely enjoying the quiet and the peace right now.
Storm is definitely coming for sure.
So just with us moving and, you know, things opening back up, it's, we definitely wanted to start traveling again. The only thing is Kyle and I are a little weird about me flying while I'm pregnant.
Just with everything going on, we feel like it's an unnecessary risk right now. If we could drive to a location, that's what we're going to try and do.
Yeah, so of course we would love to go visit mainland Europe, which we can drive. That's just something that's maybe takes a little bit more planning. But we decided to go down to Dorset this past week and check out the Jurassic Coast because we haven't done that yet. So we actually stayed at the Isle of Portland, and it was wonderful. It was beautiful.
Yeah, we just randomly found an Airbnb, and I got a clip here that I'll show you in a second. And we did this right. We always talk about we go stay at places and we forget to film until like all of our stuff's
We
in
were
there.
pulling in, and I was like, "You have to film as soon as we get here."
She's like, grab your camera, just go. So
Yeah.
we'll show you this, but this is a clip of the layout of the house. It was beautiful, awesome location, and it was just fun.
I think it was the best Airbnb we have ever stayed in.
Yeah.
Cleanest, prettiest, most like up to date, like kind of like the appliances in the Airbnb were just like super like techy, and it was cool, and it wasn't that expensive.
No, it wasn't bad. But here's the clip here that. So while we were down there, we tried to do a whole bunch of different activities in the area, but the first day was super rainy, so we decided to go to the aquarium, which we thought was going to be a lot of fun with Porter. Come to find out, he's like super afraid of dark, creepy rooms, and I think
With
it was.
fish.
I think it was like a fun
He doesn't
house.
even want to talk about it now. He just knows.
It's like just bring it back to bad memories. But yeah, we walked in and he was fine in the first room. In the second one, I think it was just a reflection of the tanks and the low lighting. He just got freaked out. He was like not wanting anything of it.
He's giving Hootie all his snacks right now, if you see that.
So the only clip I have of him not crying really was
That one?
looking at the penguins. So you gotta take a look at this one.
Do you want me to hold you? Wow.
The other thing that's crazy is he is walking so much right now and he just wants to be on the go. He doesn't want to be held. So we were getting clips of him just kind of walking around these little paths and just trying to explore by himself. All right, we got Wild Man on the loose. He was not wanting to sit anymore.
I think it was the talk about the aquarium. He didn't want to
Like,
hear
guys,
it.
stop. I just don't want to even. We're gonna let him just play around with the cabinets.
So just before we went to the Isle of Portland or Portland, I don't want to call it the wrong thing. we were just like researching things, and I kept seeing pictures of this lookout, and I really wanted to see it, and I know it was by the Olympic rings that are actually there too. So we were driving back to the Airbnb one day, and I was like, Kyle, pull off here, and it was the lookout spot. So here's a few clips from that. When you go to the Jurassic Coast, you have to see like the most like iconic thing. So we went to Turtle Door and the cove that was right there, which I think is the Man o' War Cove. So here's that.
Yeah, and a little backstory on this real quick. We were kind of researching the hike because with me carrying Porter with Chelsea pregnant, we wanted to make sure it was something that was doable. And we watched one video where this person was like, man, you gotta be in great shape. This is like super steep.
I was like, I can't do it.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to do this. And come to find out, they were at a different cove, and it looks like it splits in the area.
Walworth Cove.
Yeah, they parked over there and then walked over to the other area. We just decided to just park at the main one. So once we were at Turtle Door, it wasn't that bad of a hike going there. Coming back definitely was like more uphill. So you'll see from some of these clips.
Definitely up more. It was way more uphill.
It was steep. So going out, we're like, we got this, no big deal. And then on the way back, we're like, whew, let's take some breaks.
Yeah.
You scared?
We just found the parking lot.
See if I can add like an arrow later and be like, we're staying right there. Good back there? Be quiet. Staring at the path when you have this awesome view all around us. Ooh. Not feeling so great today. Ooh, a little winded.
Yeah.
About halfway up. Ooh.
We did the stairs.
Yeah.
I think this part's gonna be worse.
It's an extra 30 pounds.
Both of you.
That's awesome.
All of you.
But yeah, that's what we were saying. It was a great weather day. Over the whole week though, it was really nice. But Porter got into something, got some kind of bug, and just wasn't feeling really well. So we decided it would be easier to take care of him back at the house. Even though the Airbnb was comfortable, we wanted to be back at our own place where, we had the stuff that he was used to and comfortable with. So
Definitely.
but yeah, so it was exciting to get out. It's just cool to think about the road ahead and everything that we've got going on. And I'm sure we're going to be doing more videos here before we leave. But like Chelsea said earlier, it's just going to be a whirlwind coming. So we got to be able to kind of plan ahead and just get our ducks in a row for that. I think it's time to go watch some football, make some dinner, get ready for work tomorrow. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this little update. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button.
Maybe we'll upload more videos.
We will. I think we got some apple picking coming up next weekend. But yeah, again, thanks for watching, and we will catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
Bye.
Gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night.